Baby. Lightweight when we out here. What we gonna do about these? Can we water these and bring life back into them? The dead dreads, they're gonna fall out. Nice little highlights. Bring out your eyes a little bit. Can you talk? Hey, little girl. I know how to make her talk. Hey. You mini version of the Ratchet dude. See, Ratchet! Go ahead and show me how Ratchet you is. Gay dudes. Yeah, I said it. Y'all Ratchet dudes. Gay. You want my number? Boy, bye. He know the whole thing by heart. He they #1 fan. He got the one dude lips and half of his dreads with highlights. Part of them dead. Nickname Pepper. Whew. This mug right here. I know they stink. So you just wash them. Wash the dreads. Comb them up. Comb your dreads. Taller than you? Gun, what? Boy, bye. You going to hit that hoe so bad. Go on and hit that hoe, man. I'll give you a Scooby snack if you do it.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my mister.
You gotta do the whole thing. I'll give you 3 of them. Do the whole thing. One verse. Do at least one verse.
A baby boy, and it came with a sister.
Come on, Pepper, do it. 5.
Girl, yes, he pregnant, but he still hit the club. Be in the middle of the floor. No shoe. Where's you? Had to get cute today. I bought a jean New Balance today. Had to keep it looking good. He thought he shoes today. Girl, yes, need new shoes today. Child support check it to the right. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the clue today? Gone be it on. Whoa, champ. On my way.
Finish. You want them Scoobies?
That was it.
Want them Scooby snacks?
That was it.
That wasn't ratchet. That wasn't ratchet enough.